Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to use two WhatsApp in one mobile phone. So guys, if you are using Android phone and want to use two WhatsApp in your one phone, so guys, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you can see here I have used only one WhatsApp. Here you can see this is the icon on my desktop, and guys, you can see here any another app is not available on my phone. So guys, when I am search here WhatsApp, so guys, you can see here this is only one WhatsApp on my phone. So guys, I am going to make twins WhatsApp in my phone. So let's start. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, here is the option of app management. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and below you can find here the option of app twin. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, after clicking on it, you can see here this type of interface. So guys, here you can see you can use two accounts, all of these like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Snapchat and WhatsApp. So guys, I am doing only WhatsApp dual. So guys, you can see here I am turning on this, and guys, now you can see it has been turned on in my phone, and now we are checking that the second WhatsApp in my phone number in my mobile phone. So guys, here you can see these are the two WhatsApp, and guys, when I am search here WhatsApp, so guys, wait for a few seconds, and guys, you can see here there are two WhatsApp in my phone. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to use two WhatsApp in your one phone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.